Hello again! The ability to control and optimize the just-in-time delivery of materials to the production process is one of the fundamental challenges for the future of automated manufacturing. Let's get more insights on this topic today. But wait, I'm missing my components. Where are they?
All is about transparency. From the moment where the goods, in our case electronic components, are received in the factory, we manage the quantity and location of them and trace them, including the produced PCBs, until they are packed into boxes and ready to ship. This where Panasonic's PanaSim advanced module of material control operates. Knowing exact location of material in the factory helps our customers to keep general stock at a low level and allows to guide operators in the most efficient way through the shop floor. An exact backflush of consumed material to ERP systems enables our customers to order right quantity at the right time. At the production site, the innovative Inov Axe solution offers flexible and traceable material storage solutions. Material is scanned, tracked, and verified when added or taken off the shelf before taken to production. We have our own production planning tool called MFO for our equipment, but also for third-party machines. Taking multiple parameters like operator availability and skill set, available equipment such as nozzles, feeders and machines and shift schedules, product information and planned work orders into consideration, MFO is providing an optimal production and setup plan that allocates operators in the most efficient way. Having a digital twin of the production line allows to plan and reserve material precisely and react very quickly to unplanned events. In order to have minimum stock at production lines, we reserve the materials based on work order and can deliver the material not only just in time to the line, but also just in sequence to the production lines to have minimum changeover time. In order to have minimum and flexible changeover time, our systems are able to operate and switch between product families.
Finally found a reliable solution to manage and trace our materials. Very good. I hope you can take away some learnings from our Smart Factory department. Let's continue our manufacturing journey with some very special machines. Heads up, it will be elegant, fast and bright next time. See you!